Well, I'm having knee surgery again. It'll be my 6th overall and my 3rd on my left side. I've talked about my bad knees on my channel before, but it's been a while, so let me catch you up. And since I'm a self-employed content creator, I don't have much choice but to monetize this impactful life event. This video is sponsored by Nebula. Ever since I was a kid, my kneecaps have tended to dislocate. When that happens, it causes all kinds of problems with my connective tissue, cartilage, and bones. All my previous surgeries were aimed at repairing whatever acute injury had happened while trying to prevent the dislocations from happening again. This time it's just a little different. I haven't dislocated my left knee since before my last surgery in 2010, but my kneecap hasn't been tracking properly for a number of those years, which causes more and more arthritis. I'm in a lot of pain, which has limited my ability to do everyday activities. This isn't my typical project build video, but I do have several tips and tricks for surviving knee surgery or any leg injury really, including some DIY solutions I think you'll like. My first tip is to create a health savings account if you don't already have one. I'm self-employed, so I can just set one up and contribute to it. If you have a full-time employer, you might have HSA available through your insurance coverage with your employer. It allows you to not pay tax on the money that you're using to pay for medical expenses. So my portion of my surgery costs and a bunch of the supplies that I need and will recommend here are HSA eligible. So here's my curated list of post-op supplies. I do get affiliate bucks on some of these too. Absolute must-have is a shower chair. A waterproof shower sleeve is a nice thing to have, otherwise use plastic wrap. You're gonna need some loose-fitting shorts, an ice and compression machine, compression socks, grippy socks, a shoulder bag or a fanny pack, and this time I'll be trying out a small cart with wheels. You'll want your cups and water bottles to have lids. I bought a leg elevation pillow, a TENS unit, and then you'll want a yoga strap and resistance bands for doing your exercises post-op. I also 3D printed a couple things. These crutch clips hold my crutches together. If you've ever been on crutches, you know they love to slide all over the place and fall down, and the crutch clip will keep them together and hopefully make them less likely to fall down. I also wanted to make a crutch cup holder, but my crutches are like kid crutches set on their tallest setting, and the cup holder I found on Principles was too tall and didn't fit between the hand grip and the narrower part of the crutches. But I did model my own cup holder for my cart in Tinkercad, and it's got 3 spots, which is perfect for all of my beverage goblin needs. Then I recommend picking up some stuff you can do from the couch or bed so you don't get bored. I will definitely get super bored, but won't be able to focus on much for a very long time. So things like coloring books, movies and TV, knitting, I'll be doing a lot of knitting, embroidery, cross stitch, stuff that you can work on for a little bit of time in your lap in between naps. For pre-op prep, I went ahead and got ahead on my other appointments that would be tough to get to for a while, like the dentist or the dermatologist, your flu shot, stuff like that, just because it'll be difficult to get around. Then I also recommend finding a physical therapist and scoping out the place before you go in for surgery to see that they're familiar with your condition, have the right equipment, and just that you like the place. Then at home, I recommend picking up any area rugs you have. It'll make it a lot easier to get around with crutches, but also if you have like a desk chair with wheels, then that could be used more throughout the house if there aren't any rugs. Of course, you want to make sure if you're going to go in with jokes for your medical team that they're not jokes that they've heard a million times before. Like, hey, does anyone need anything while I'm out? Like the anesthesiologist has heard that a million times over. So I'm coming in with some of these. Let me know if you think they're funny or not. One is, if you find my 10mm socket, I'm going to need that back. And hey, want to see my impression of a possum? By the time you're watching this, I have already made it through surgery and I'm alive. If you want to know how it went and how I'm doing, you can find out right now by watching the extended cut of this video on Nebula. Nebula is a creator-owned streaming service that is completely ad-free. I hope you'll consider subscribing, which supports me directly. There are some more personal and gory details to this story that go beyond my channel's typical family-friendly content classification, and Nebula is a great place for creators to publish great content without worrying about being demonetized like on YouTube. If you sign up for Nebula using the link below, you'll get a year of Nebula for $30, or a little over $250 a month. And right now, Nebula is also offering lifetime memberships. Instead of a monthly subscription, lifetime memberships are a one-time $300 payment where you can get access to everything that's on Nebula now and everything that will be on Nebula in the future, including a quickly growing catalog of exclusive movies, plays, shows, documentaries, and more. Like Sarah Renee Clark's series on the power of color, pigment of your imagination. You'll not only get access to all the awesome stuff that Nebula offers, but also a portion of your subscription fee goes directly to me. Thank you so much for your support. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. I hope you'll subscribe with the bell to be notified of my future uploads, subscribe to my email newsletter, and find me on your favorite social platforms. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. This video was made with support from my sponsors and generous donations from viewers like you through Patreon and YouTube memberships.